Of course I start this vlog looking like a rat. Oh god. Good morning everybody. It's currently the 9th today, November, and last night when I went to bed my subscriber count was on 96,000. I decided I didn't want to wait up all night to watch it hit 100. I literally can't even believe I'm saying this, like I literally feel sick. I decided I didn't want to wait all night for it to hit 100. I wanted to wait.
Look at this dude.
Wake up in the morning and react. So I said to my family, I said to my boyfriend, I was like, if I hit 100, don't tell me, because I just wanted, like, I want to see for myself. And they were like, okay. So I've woken up this morning, my mum literally hasn't said a word to me. I've washed my face, I've packed my suitcase because I'm going to London this weekend. Like 100k has been like the milestone that I've like wanted to hit my entire YouTube career. And like whilst I've always thought about it and been like, yeah, one day it will happen, like it's a bit like Christmas, like when it comes around you feel like you're not prepared for it. So I guess I'm gonna open this bad boy and we're gonna see. I literally, oh, my jaw is like chattering. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Okay. We did it. We did it. Oh my god, I want to go onto my YouTube channel, see my name and see 100,000 next to it. I feel like I'm being so dramatic, but I didn't even think I was gonna cry.
No, 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 no.
It's gonna look so weird, and I can't like tell you why I'm crying, but it's like if you'd have gone back and told 13-year-old me who started this channel one day beyond actually 100,000 people would want to watch what you do. It's just crazy. The growth on my channel recently has just been crazy. It's been so quick, which is another reason why I'm like, oh, I feel like I couldn't prepare myself. Like yesterday I gained 18,000 new subscribers, but thank you. If you're watching this, thank you. And I know I am as much of a viewer as YouTube as I am a maker, and when someone says thank you, you're always like, oh yeah, whatever. But like, no, like to each individual person watching this, just thank you. Because you just have absolutely no idea how much it means for someone to enjoy what you do. That's the thing too. There's so much more than numbers to me, because when I meet you and when I meet the people who watch my videos, it makes it all so much more real. It stops it from just being a number on a screen. I can't believe I've got 100,000. I'm gonna get a fucking plaque from YouTube. Like, what the frick? It's just crazy. I don't know why people want to watch me, but thank you if you do. I love you, and I hope one day I can meet you and give you a massive hug. Thank you. Anyway, enough crying and sobbiness. We're gonna get on with the day. Hi everyone. So I'm in college. I actually completely forgot I was even vlogging today. With Joel, who wants to be in the video. That's Harry. Don't smoke, children. It's disgusting. There's a bell running.
Oh, we're not filming her. Fitness. You hate us because you ain't us.
Have you seen that thing? And it's like, apparently obesity runs in the family, and it's like no one fucking runs in your family.
Cheese.
Hiya. Hiya. Hello. Hello. Oh,
It's your whole fan base.
it actually is.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Hi, so I'm currently in the college toilet. Room tour. Sorry I didn't vlog that much in college. I've been feeling really tired because I couldn't really sleep last night. I kept having dreams that my subscriber count was deleting itself. Like, how cliche, the night before I hit 100,000.
Crazy shit.
But yeah, I'm just getting on the train now at 11, and I will arrive in Marylebone.
I'm gonna go put this in the fridge, okay? Johnson. Johnson, now.
So I've just arrived at Will's flat. I had a really weird experience on the tube. This woman was sat opposite me and she was eating like a frosted cupcake, and she was eating the cupcake kind of weird. It kind of looked like she was making out with it. And then she gets out this ginormous cookie. She starts eating it and rocking her head back and going like that. My first thought was, oh my god, is this woman having like a heart attack or a stroke or something? So she's eating this cookie like this. you get the deal. But then she'll come back and take another bite, and I was like, okay, so she's not dying, she's just clearly really vibing with this cookie right now. And then to make things weirder, she starts moaning and like groaning as she's eating it. She's like, oh, on a tube full of people. You're supposed to be.
Oh god.
Good morning, everybody. I didn't film that much last night because we didn't really get up to that much. I was really tired just from a long old day of travelling, so Will had to put up with me sleeping as per usual. But today we're going to be going out in the London town. Seriously listening to Queen in 8D audio. Hi everyone, so we've just come into Itsu. Got a beautiful sushi box. Will's got some dumplings and is that soup thing? You can buy Itsu dumplings in Tesco, it's like frozen. You steam them, bone packed with food. God, that's really potent. It's like a grown man was like trying to revisit his schoolboy years. We're currently in Dover Street Market and I'm probably not allowed to film in here. Everything's so expensive. Luckily for me, ad revenue is at an all-time high. How sick are these shoes? Camera literally is not picking up how neon they are. So the weather's taken a bit of a turn for the worse. Trying to make our way from Dover Street Market to Oxford Street, which is like a 15-minute pacey walk. Say that I'm soggy is an understatement right now. I wore flares today and they're oh, that was definite. I'm gonna take them off. Ooh, we're getting naked on camera for views.
On camera.
I can't see it. Basically, we went to go and get a Nando's because it was so rainy. The Nando's was so full that they were like, we can give you a delivery takeout thing if you just wait here. So we did that. This whole vlog is basically just a mukbang. I got the veggie cataplana, which is like a rice box. I got some peri salted chips and I got the halloumi cheese.
I got double chicken wrap, salted chips, and this.
Halloumi fries look sloppy as fuck. Oh well. Beggars can't be choosers. Thank you, sweetheart. I just got my first ever million views. How crazy is that? 1 million, that just looks wrong.
1 million in your,
click on it.
And your little face.
Oh, you can't even see, it's such a bad camera. You'd think after 1 million views on a video I'd get an actual decent
Who
camera.
tagged you in a photo?
I don't know. Yesterday, I hit 100,000. Now, 136,000. I don't even understand why or how, but I'm grateful. Stay grateful, kids. Good morning, everybody. I don't really know, is there anything you really want to do today?
I feel like we've done everything.
Yeah, I still want to go out there.
Outside?
Yes, outside.
Let's do that. We can go to church.
So we're gonna go out, preferably not to church. I don't know what naughty activities you've been up to, William, that you feel the need to redeem your sins for. I still really want to buy something because obviously it's my 100,000 subscriber weekend and I got my first million, probably my only million ever. I want to buy something that I can have and look back on and be like, yeah, I bought that when I hit 100,000 and so far all I have is like a few more pounds on the scales because of how much I've eaten. So we've just got our food, but I've already started eating. Will got a burger and some bacon cheese fries. I got a salad. All I've done this vlog is just eat loads of food and I'm kind of living for it. I might just become a mukbang channel.
I like cry, I eat, I like, you know, break down.
Trisha Paytas, I'm coming for your brand, sweetheart. Byron have been sponsoring a lot of YouTubers, so Byron, if you want to hit me up, I'll promote your veggie menu. Email me, my email box. My email will be in the description box down below. So we're currently in Topshop at the House of C. Beebit, and this is actually where I really want to get my 18th dress from. My mother would love this. How cool. I love like the bandagey material. I feel like that'll be really flattering for all the food I've been eating. Literally need to rate it in. I have not stopped eating all weekend. And we are here at the mothership. Oh, that's lovely. I'm trying to not draw attention to this.
I like that one.
That's really different. I've never smelled anything like that. It smells like cake, doesn't it?
Wait, yeah, put it on you and then let me smell you.
Give me a hug so I smell
No,
you.
let it settle in.
It's settling in, it's settling in.
Put more on.
No, I can't overload. Maybe that's a bad sign if you can't smell it. On to the next one. Who? just got to boob out. Not okay. Do you know, I don't know if I'm comfortable with you looking at these provocative pictures, if I'm honest with you, William.
What?
Yes, boys, just got a perfume, got teas and Victoria's Secret. Smells really yummy. Do you like it, Will? This could probably very easily smash my camera. So we're in the quiet zone, so I can't be very loud.
Welcome aboard this Chiltern Railway
It's not
service
stopping
to
her.
Bicester North, Banbury, Leamington Spa, Warwick, Warwick Parkway, Dorridge, Solihull, Birmingham Moor Street, and Birmingham Snow Hill.
So I've got a little surprise guest who's coming home with me because he got on the train and he's gonna come home for the night. I was literally sat on the train and he just walked along and I was like, who is that? Oh, yeah, boy, we just hit 150,000. Woo! Hi everyone, so basically I thought I'd lost my camera, thought I'd lost it on my train. Turns out I just left it in my mum's car, which is great. But I'm going to be ending this vlog here. As you would have seen in the last few clips, Will actually came home, which was just so nice. It was such a surprise. We were literally joking around and like talking about how much I wanted him to come home with me and come home for a night and stuff. And it just kind of worked out that he didn't have college. So I actually got on the train and like he said goodbye to me at the train gate. And then I'm just sat on the train, sat on my phone, and then oh my god, I see him walking down the carriage. He literally said goodbye to me and then bought a ticket and then came through the gate straight after me. So if you're watching this, Will, I love you and I miss you already. But yeah, it's crazy to me that when I started filming this vlog I had just hit 100,000 and now we are on over 160,000. What? I don't want to make it seem as though like I'm making this all about numbers and stuff, but obviously the recognition and just all these new people and all these new opportunities this is going to bring me, and you know, these new video ideas I can do and all of this sort of stuff, it's just a really exciting time for me. So I just want to say thank you, and I want to say thank you to every single person watching this. I know I said it at the beginning of my vlog, but genuinely, like, to every person watching this, thank you. Not just thank all of you, like thank each individual person. I'm just not making sense, am I? I would not be doing this without you, and just I love you so much. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can subscribe if you would like to see more of me. I have all my social medias listed in the description box down below. I'm most active on my Instagram. I'm also sorry that I look like this for half this vlog, but just keeping it real, queenies. Good luck, Charlie. Okay, you can still see me.